Hello everyone and welcome to Horizon Grand Prix Season 4 video series. I'm Steven, and in this video we're going to talk about the regional and state races and just give you a little bit of information that you need to know so you can be ready for these when they come up. Guys, the competition is growing. That's an amazing thing. But with that, there are a few issues that we need to talk about and address. One of those issues being that in the past, we've had our regional races in one day. If it comes to a point where we grow more than 40 teams per region, which could very well happen this season, that will allow us, or that will force us to have a second day. So depending on the area and the size of the competition in that region, there may well be a second day for the regional race. So kind of the same idea. There will be 3 heats. If this were to happen, there would be 3 heats in total, 2 on a Saturday potentially, 1 on a Sunday. And it will be the same kind of idea as the qualifier series, based off of how many laps you do, the pole position, and we'll kind of figure all that out according to that. So the format for this is going to be slightly different from the qualifier series. The qualifier series is 2 hours and 29 watt-hours of energy. This series, or the regional races, the regional qualifiers for state, will be 3.5 hours. You will have 58 watt-hours of battery, and you will be allowed 12 hydro sticks. And that's pretty much what the regional races are going to break down to. You guys should all be familiar at this point with how that's going to work for all your returning teams. The difference here is now with the state race, right? We're still not 100% sure as far as the duration of the race, but it's going to look like at least 4 hours, if not 4.5. You will be allowed 58 watt-hours of battery, same as before. If it's a 4-hour race, we will probably give you these 12 plus an extra 2. So that will be 14 sticks in total. And if it is a 4.5-hour race, we will then give you 2 more sticks. So that'll be 16 sticks. So there are some options there. We're still trying to figure that out. So just bear with us on that, and we'll get in contact with you guys as soon as we have that all squared away. Some things I think that are important to remember. Again, we're going to talk about the transponders because this is very important. Make sure you guys have your own MYLAPS transponder for your team. If you have multiple teams, you're going to need multiple transponders, so make sure that you purchase these. You guys will be responsible for that. You will also be responsible for mounting these correctly. So understand, watch the video we're going to have on the transponders just so you know exactly what you should be doing. Also, along with the transponders, before each race, we're going to be sending out a Google form, and you're going to be responsible for inputting your number. It's a very small number at the bottom of the transponder. You will be responsible for giving this to us correctly. If you give us the incorrect number and something happens, it's not our fault. So you guys need to make sure you input the correct number. We'll have some protocols in place to make sure you give us the correct number. So just be advised about that, and also be advised we're not responsible if there are any problems with this. So transponder is very important. Everyone, as always, we are not perfect. We do make some mistakes here with these videos, so if you catch one, please let us know in the comments below. Also, if you like these videos, you find them interesting, please subscribe to stay up to date with all the video content we're releasing. I'm Steven, and we will see you in our next video.